ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर सीडीएस अनिल चौहान ने बयान यहां पर दिया है। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान आतंकवाद पर लगाम लगाए, नुकसान से ज्यादा परिणाम जरूरी है और कोई भी प्लानिंग फुल प्रूफ नहीं होती है। हमने क्या लक्ष्य हासिल किया ये महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारे पास बेहतर काउंटर ड्रोन सिस्टम है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमने एआई का शानदार इस्तेमाल किया है।
What we see is, in this particular thing which happened at Pahalgam was profound cruelty, of which, towards the victims actually, because all of them were killed with headshots in front of their families and their children, and they were slaughtered in the name of religion, which is kind of unacceptable to this modern world. And this caused a huge revulsion in the society. So there was kind of an hatred. And of course, it revived memories because this is not a single act of terror against India. I mean, Western nations may have had one or two acts of terror. It's a continuation of terror acts. And maybe, India has been a victim of the maximum terror acts. Almost 20,000 people have been killed. So amongst the emotion which was being evoked in the people of India was about revenge, retribution, and this was to get the perpetrators to justice. So that, I think, was played in everyone's mind. That's a kind of emotional public sentiment which was having. Probably post Balakot and Uri strikes, we thought that should be able to engage targets deep inside with precision strikes. So India built these kind of capabilities. On the other hand, after Balakot, because the last strike package was almost at the borders of Pakistan, so there have been air defense capabilities. Probably they built that kind of a stronger. We also thought that we had applied the land domain to carry out surgical strikes after Uri. Then we had applied the air domain, and this time we thought that to maintain that element of surprise, we'll employ one more dimension. That's in the air domain only, but slightly led by using loiter ammunitions and drones, etc., to carry out a precision strikes.